Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare a dosa using Ridge Gourd. Ingredients for this are Ridge Gourd pieces. I have peeled the Ridge Gourd and make small slices of it, very thin slices. So 1 bowl of Ridge Gourd pieces, oil, rice. I have taken 1 bowl of rice, whichever rice you use for preparing rice, you can take it. 1 bowl of rice. This is besan, that is roasted chana dal powder, kadle hittu or kadle maavu. Freshly grated coconut 1 cup, jaggery, tamarind. I have taken a small lemon size tamarind, red chilies, that is dry chilies, hing, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 2 to 2.5 teaspoons of dhania powder. Now take a mixie jar, add the ingredients one by one to it. First I am going to add coriander seeds, jeera seeds, tamarind, freshly grated coconut, jaggery, required amount of red chilies. You add according to your taste. Now we will add the soaked rice. We have to soak the rice at least for 2 hours. I have taken soaked rice. Now I have taken all the soaked rice into the mixie jar. We will add salt according to the taste to it. Then we will add turmeric powder, and then hing to it. Around 1/4 teaspoon of hing we will add to it, and we will grind this into a fine paste and come. Now I have grinded the mixture into a fine paste. To this we will add this besan flour or roasted chana dal flour, kadle hittu or kadle maavu, sorry. We will add it 3 to 4 teaspoons of besan, and we will run the mixie for 1 minute. Doing this, adding this besan will give the crispiness to the dosa. We will just run the mixie for 1 second and come. Now I have mixed the besan into this thoroughly. We will take this into the bowl and start preparing the dosas. Now switch on the stove. Take a dosa pan and we will keep it for getting heat. Now I have taken the batter and diluted it to this consistency. It should be the consistency, that is flowing consistency of the batter. Now we will start the preparation of the dosas. Now the pan is heated. First we will apply oil for this. Put a spoon of oil. Then take a coconut fiber and spread it. Always use this coconut fiber for spreading the oil. It will spread very evenly and dosa will get very nice. Take this coconut fiber and apply the oil thoroughly. Sim down the flame and take a Ridge Gourd piece. Dip this into the batter we have grinded. Put it on the tawa side by side like this. Keep it in a round shape. Don't put it in the middle in the beginning itself, because tawa will be too heat, that part will burn. So keep the pieces around first, then you put the pieces in the middle of the tawa, so like this, so that it won't burn in the middle. So this is enough. Now we will close the lid, cover it with a lid and let it cook. Now we will remove the lid and flip this to the other side. This should be cooked on a low to medium flame only. Apply some oil on it. Now let it cook this side also thoroughly. Then we will take it out from the pan. Now this is cooked. We will take it out from the flame. I will show one more. First we will apply some oil using the fiber of the coconut. Then we will take a rich gourd piece, dip this into the batter we have grinded and put it on the tawa. Same thing, take the rich gourd piece, dip it, continue it. Now I have put the another dosa on the tawa. We will close it and cook it. Now we will flip this dosa to the other side and cook it. Leave some oil on it so that the other side also it will cook thoroughly. Then it will be ready to serve. Now the tasty rich gourd dosa is ready to serve. You please try this. It will be very tasty and healthy also. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.